Well. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Steve. Morning, Jose. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Um, Everyone that was waiting on the YouTube. Good morning to y'all as well. It's Wednesday. It's Hump Day. We gotta make some money today. I'm excited. Uncle Sniff. Good morning, sir. Hopefully, you did good in the markets last night after I got off. Good morning, David. Good morning, everybody.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Gotta get all my good mornings in. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get all my good mornings in this morning, Steve. How are you doing today, sir?
All right, how are you?
Today's another day in paradise. So.
I do wanna thank you again for the training yesterday.
Oh no, I'm glad. Did you guys feel like it helped, or?
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like the best way I can describe it is like hearing a scripture, or you're out at the range and you're like, just getting like tuned in on a new rifle or something. It just, you hear it again and again, and it helps.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad it helped.
Guns are church. Guns are church, baby. Guns are church.
Glad it helped, for sure. Oh, that was the wrong one. I'm trying to get my chats pulled up here. There we go. Oh no, that's the wrong one. There we go. We should be good now. Activate selected. Let me refresh this because I have it where I could put all my chats across everything all together, but it's not trying to load the YouTube Shorts chats feed. I do not like that. Because I keep clicking it. It says already added, but it's not showing up. So, interesting. Well, we're going to keep it moving. We're not going to let it slow me down because we got backups for backups. So, I'll just pull it up on my phone so I can see that chat. Alrighty. Well, good morning, sir. Last night, Uncle Sniff, you know what I'm saying? We were calling out trades last night for the traders hangout. Called out a trade last night. Uncle Sniff made $1,200 on it. So we'll take it. We will take it.
Good morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Good morning, sir. Feel like we're currently building a bear flag right now, just so you guys are aware. I'm waiting until 9:45 like usual before I can execute any trades today. No news today. We do have a lot of news coming out tomorrow. Well, the S&P comp comes out tomorrow morning, so. But feel like we're trying to build a bear flag. That's just me. I'm sticking to it. No news today.
Hey, Duane, you saw that picture I sent you yesterday?
I did see it. That food look amazing. You know, you can't send that to a meat eater, okay, Steve? Like, my mouth was watering. You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
let me tell you how I made that, man. I fried it and then I smoked it.
Okay.
So I mean, it was just like it was done inside out, like boom. Just keeping it real over here. You know what I mean?
No, it looked amazing. It looked amazing. I'm still clicking around over here. I'm trying to get this second chat added. Wow.
Jimmy T.
Let's see. Deselect. No. Man, this third party that I use is good, but when it's not good, it's not good.
Well, sometimes on those things, like, because I've used elements of that, and it's just like, they're doing their job, but then those original root things will change like something so their algo can't pick it up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So then they got to adjust. And
Well, hopefully that works. I'm trying here. I'm trying. I want to see all my chats.
hey, when are you going back to X-Tourette?
February. I'm going back to the X-Correct in February. You know, I gotta make sure everything's like good out there for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go, since I've been there a couple times already. I gotta make sure. You know what I'm saying, for you guys. I'm not going for me. I'm going for you guys.
So you already started planning your itinerary? Like, is there an extra park you haven't been to yet or anything?
We're gonna do some more of the excursions where we didn't want to take the kids to because it would have been a lot. So we're going to go through some cenotes, everything like that, where we're going to have to rappel in. Like, it's going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. And since we've already been to a couple parks, we're not too crazy on going back to some of them. But we will go to Fuego at Explore. So at Explore, it's really cool during the day, but at night for adults, it's Fuego Explore. So everything's lit by fire. So you're ziplining through like rings of fire, all that stuff. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Mute G for a second. Not 3G, just normal G.
Yeah, I muted. I muted. Good morning, Sam. Welcome to the stream, sir.
So have you been to all the parks yet?
No. So there's only like one or two that I haven't been to yet. But I'm sure we're gonna go. Oh, awesome, dude. Awesome. Well, now I can put the name to the face to the name. But no, I'm excited. I'm excited for the trip. You know, it's always good to get away, you know what I'm saying, without the kids.
Yep.
And it's cool because now, since we won't have the kids, because both times my youngest was with us, we're now, since we have no kids, we're going to be staying at the Fuego, like the Fuego building. That's where you have like your own personal butler and everything like that for adults only. So that's going to be cool.
Oh, cool.
Butler / concierge, they'll get you whatever you need. So do me a favor, everyone that's listening to the sound of my voice, we're 2 minutes out here. We're 2 minutes out. Do me a solid and go ahead and make sure you guys are liking my streams on YouTube. We're trying to let the algorithm know that people are enjoying these streams. Market's getting ready to open. I am waiting until 9:45 to execute any trades. I will be calling trades out, but I'm not taking them yet. I already called out the bear flag that's currently trying to play here before market open. And we're just going to see what happens. We're just going to see what happens. Uh-oh. And since we got a whole lot more people on these streams, on the Zoom calls, fellas, do me a favor, when we're not talking, just go ahead and mute the mics. I already muted everybody, but when you're not talking, just mute them so that we don't hear the background noise or anything like that, because it happens. We'll be listening to people talking about a whole lot of things that we don't want to be putting on the wide world web. All right, so just so we know, we do have a pivot point currently above us, up at the 486.25. 486.25. We got a pivot point up there. The VWAP is currently sitting at 407. That's perfect, you know, for us Orlando people. 407, you know what I'm saying? Anyways. Yesterday's high, 443.50. 443.50. So What else we got? We got the close from yesterday, 321.50.
Right now, baby. We're opening right now.
We're open. Right down to that VWAP. We tapped the VWAP.
Was the ATR this morning?
Huh?
Was the ATR this morning?
I have not. ATR, help me out with that one, Sam.
So the ATR is basically the volatility index. It's like VIX. So
Okay.
it keeps track of the volatility that is going in the market. So I use it as a little confluence whenever market open after 10, so it can tell me like, bearish volume coming in. Instead, if you notice anything above in the VIX, anything above 16 points and higher, is basically bearish for the whole entire market.
Okay.
Anything below the 16 and below it, that is basically bullish. That means that there's not no selling pressure, even though you see like a heavy sell candle.
Yeah.
That's how you can often determine if you're dealing with a fake out or if it's an actual start of a meltdown and stuff like that.
Copy.
So I like to look at the VIX during market open just to see where it's at, because that honestly drives the market.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to keep that in mind moving forward. Thank you for that, Sam. Well, I don't have the ATR. Not looking at the VIX either. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking for my bull flags and bear flags. Because with trading, for me personally, right, I tried keeping it as simple as possible. Because for new people starting off, and even myself, like, there's a lot of information that you can receive, everything like that, where it does help. But the one thing I've learned with all this, bear flags, bull flags, and momentum, they pay. So I haven't changed anything, but that's good to know how you can actually spot pre-market, everything like that, what the ATR is, everything like that. So that is cool.
No, I used to be the same way, bro. Trust me, I would trade just on structure base, but once I came across the VIX, because I used to get, some structure, you wait for it to play out, and then you see a manipulation. And I often used to question, like, yo, why? Like, this shit is not playing out the way it should. And that's when I started correlating the VIX with market structure, and it made things a lot simpler, bro. Like, if I'm waiting for a breakout of a pendant, of a bullish pendant, or whatever, I just need the VIX to follow along, and then I'll see when the move is starting, versus still waiting for it to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
With a wick, at a trend line, a manipulation, and stuff like that. It's just an extra confluence. It does help make it a little bit more simpler too.
Yeah,
So
if you,
less analysis and like more of like waiting for the momentum volume to come and let you know the direction that it's overall take.
copy. If you can, in the discussion in the community, go ahead and drop it, just so that way everyone else could check it out as well.
I'll upload a quick sample video. Like, I'll explain it detail by detail, and I'll show both charts so you can see it chart.
All right, perfect. That works. Love to see. Love when the community's coming together. Good morning, Brett. My Canadian brothers in the chat. We'll take it. We'll take it. It was funny last night. Brett jumped on this Traders Hangout last night from a different name, and he's like, "Yo," I'm like, "Who is this?" He's like, "Oh, it's your Canadian brother." I'm like, "Oh, okay." You know what I'm saying? If I don't know you, ain't getting the same response. You know what I'm saying?
That's why I always use the same name on here, because it's important that you know who I am.
Steve, I will never forget who you are, sir. I will never forget who you are. Right now, small little range. Small little range. It's only been 3 minutes. I was hoping we would get a little bit more push. Toll on it.
Buys right now from 25,300.
Okay.
But to see she's gonna retest the higher highs.
Well, from your lips to God's ears, hopefully it does. Cole, honestly, I don't have any real thoughts on the Fed for January, because we're going to trade how we trade. You know what I'm saying? The market's going to do what the market wants to do. We just wait for our setups and we take it.
That's also another reason why I was telling you about the VIX, because normally in December, I got a few hedge funds client and Wall Street clients. Normally around this time, they don't really come in anywhere to like 11:30, 12 o'clock to place a small trade volume. That's what you notice around that time during December. Those hours, you're gonna get the highest interaction volume and manipulation going on within the market.
Yeah.
Now, during this season, is they recommend that, like, if you're dealing with all-time highs, or if you're dealing with a seasonal, whatever the case may be, end of the year market, you want to rely more on the VIX because the market runs on an algorithm. Since 19 something, it's been literally algorithm dictating the weight and the direction of certain things. So they said that the market normally, when the algorithm runs on autopilot, they go based on the VIX. So any news can come out, anything can be good or bad for the dollars. If the VIX don't move, you're gonna see that you're gonna be like, yo, but the news didn't do shit to the market. And it's because the move, the VIX didn't react to it. There's no investors reacting to the news.
Okay.
So during December, mixing the both guides you a little bit, with these market volume and the direction as it goes up and down.
Awesome.
That's what I was told. From 11:30 to 12 o'clock is really when you're gonna get some hedge funds managers stepping in, play some trades, and then by like 1:30, 2 o'clock, they out.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't trade after 11. I try not to, at least. Sometimes I'm on these streams a little bit longer. But no told, there's no robot in my room. You're hearing the voices of members of the Legacy Wealth Society on stream with me here. We're coming back down to the range from yesterday here. We got that close from yesterday, 321.50. We had a bear flag print, and we've been coming on down. And man, look at that, man. I just wish it was already 9:45. Good morning, Dre. Yeah, Brett. Remember I called him yesterday for Uncle Sniff. So he's just finalizing everything we talked about yesterday on the stream.
Oh yeah. That was 3 bands right there, baby.
Well, go ahead, G. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, that was a good drop, baby. Thanks.
Make sure you put in the discussion so we can see the wins. See the wins, see the losses, and we can celebrate and uplift each other on our low days. You know what I'm saying? Still flat here. I'm going to be flat till 9:45, but watching this market is like, man, I feel like I'm missing out. That FOMO.
I haven't traded on Ninja. This was on top of it.
Okay. Same thing. Take a screenshot, post it.
Oh, well, I posted it. I got it already. Oh, I got it.
He's like, I already got it. That's awesome.
Today, I am done. Well, if you lock out my top step, I am out of.
That's awesome. That's awesome. G, was that in your funded?
This is my express.
Okay. We're coming on down. We're coming on down. So we're closing that gap that we had. And at this point, just wait for the flags. There's no rush to this, gentlemen. No rush. Where's my mouse? There we go. I know, Dre. He crushing it right now, man. He crushing it. Everyone's trying to get like you. All right, let's see if we get another bear flag down here. Hopefully, we start to build some structure for a flag. So by 9:45, I could jump in on it. I gotta go shopping later. Like, I hate shopping. Well, I hate just going shopping for clothes. And I gotta get some stuff for up north because it's gonna be too cold. My little Florida light little hoodies and stuff ain't gonna cut it up there.
No, you're not kidding on that one.
I want us to come down, tap that 321 level, and then build out a flag if we want to keep on going down. But we'll see, because Moose is in here. He may say we may get a retracement. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be cautious.
That 2 minute right now on the drop, we should have got in on that. That was a nice drop. We're at 9:33.
Trust me, I wish I could have, but I'm staying true to my rule. I'm staying true to my rule.
I missed it. I missed it as well. I definitely should have got in. Like, I'm already kicking myself in the head.
Well, I didn't miss it. You know what I'm saying? Because I kept myself out of the market. Because at the end of the day, yes, that would have paid, but I rather respect my rule than break it. It's all about discipline. Trading is all about discipline.
That's why you blow accounts, because you don't stick to our rules.
Because what would happen for me, right? This is what happens to me. So that move right there, if I would have broken my rule, I would have made money. But what that does is tomorrow, when I jump in, I'm gonna be looking for a trade before 9:45. And I'll be more willing to break my rule once again. So that's why I just completely staying out, like trying not even look at my chart as much right now, because I want to have the right mindset. Oh yeah, we gonna be making some money today. We're dropping below the close from yesterday, that 321, and we're just coming on down, boys. This has been a nice little waterfall that I have watched other people take. But anyways, we got a pivot point currently below us here at the 279.50, 279.50. Good call out. We got that 300. I wasn't even paying attention to that. Let's see. Maybe we build a flag right here. But if we're going to be taking it short, I want to see a slight push up to build out another flag. I want to stay safe. I'm trying to compete with BP. He's up 19 days straight green. I'm coming for him. He's not on the chat yet, but he's been crushing it as well. So hey, the market makers must be watching right now.
Because in a second, I think Duane would be doing push-ups to get his mind off the markets.
No, I'm good. I'm honestly good. Somewhat.
Well, about to be on the bottom of that 15-minute range once this open to start.
Yeah, we got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
Minute 50, minute 48.
Wait till 9:46 for the full range to be completed. You gotta wait till 9:46 for the full range.
All right. Do that. Follow that rule.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying, but when you're over here screaming out, you just made 3K. It makes your boy like, man, I need some money too.
Well, I broke a rule though, so I'm not gonna get lucky like that all the time.
That is true.
Well, you know what? Break the damn rule and make the 3K. That's what I say. 3 bags a day. He's Duane happy.
Good morning, Ass. I'm just seeing your chat there. My bad. I didn't have this chat pulled up. Come on, Betsy. Come on. All right. The Bulls push up slightly, but I want to see now. I want to see. Are we going to start to continue down on that bear flag that just tried printing? It's a small flag. We didn't have a lot of structure on it on the 2 minute. I'll probably wait till we get below that 300 level for the short. Get below that 300 for the short because I don't like being close to those whole numbers. Market moves weird. As I say that, look at that little pop up. I'm actually feeling way better. Last night's stream, your boy was tired. I was like, it was a long day yesterday, and today I'm actually feeling pretty good. So glad I got some energy today. Because for that Traders Hangout last night, I was like, oof, let's get it done. But I didn't have the energy. All right, we drop below that 300 once again. We do have a lot of selling pressure. Just trying to be as patient as possible right now because I do not want to go short, right? And then everything starts pushing up. You know what I'm saying? That's the worst. Woo! There we go. There's that pivot. All right, that was pretty drastic. Jesus. Is Trump tweeting again? Who he firing this time? 946 as well. We just broke out of that range. Jesus. I want to chase this so bad, but man. Ah! Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. Well, I missed that one. Talking too much here. Let's see if we're going to stair step down. If we do, I'll take a short. Woody, good morning, sir. All right, we got that pivot point right above us. So, are we going to go up, tap it? If we do, I want to get rejected off of it and continue down here. The pivot on Ninja and TradingView are pretty close together. Well, actually, spot on almost. My TradingView pivot is at 279.50. On Ninja, it's at 279.58. So we're close. 75.58. I'll take that. Come on, Betsy. Show us something. I want to tap that pivot and reject off of it. Almost tapped it. We did not tap it. Almost. See, that's what I don't like. So we started rejecting, but we didn't tap it. I want to see us actually tap it, and then we start to reject. Come on, go up, tap that pivot. We got this long wick on that previous candle as well. Same with this one trying to form. So let's be careful here. There's no rush, people. There's no rush. Base hits. There's that pivot. We're above it now. So we did not reject. Back into that 15-minute range as well. Come on, Betsy. Waiting for the move. Waiting for the move. But I wish that they were building a bear flag right now, but I don't like those wicks. I do not like those wicks. And we're currently in the low of the 15-minute range.
Yeah, I got my kid on the buys on that double bottom ring core.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting, man. Like I want, like right now, I want to be in the market so freaking bad. But I'm not willing just to jump in.
She wants to go for 26,000, bro. Trust me.
Listen, 26,000. Woo. That would be a ride. We got a whole lot of distance to get there.
She's moving. I don't know, man. Starting from Sunday too.
I've been on the opposite end with that, Sam. I've been honestly feeling like it wants to drop.
Nah, remember when they say we're in an AI bubble, it's because they want to get retail out of their stocks.
Yeah.
They want us to dump. You know what I'm saying? They want us to panic, sell, then we get sweet. The stocks get bought up at the low price, and then now we're trying to get back in at the high. That's it's traditional shit.
Yeah.
So,
price is currently at 303.50, Brett. 303.50, but it's fluctuating currently.
Yeah.
We'll see. I feel like
if she can conquer 25,500, we could definitely keep crawling up.
yeah. But this is my whole thing, right? It's a double-edged sword. So if we creep up, yes, we could definitely, but we're so much closer to that 25,000 even, where I feel like they're going to drop this on people.
Facts. But you know they tricky, bro. They might not want to drop it straight flat to 25.
No, I'm not.
25, 123, they slick with it.
Because the other day we dropped all the way down to 25,033. I'm like, okay, they're setting people up right now. Because everyone's either going to start buying here to go long, thinking it's going to push, and then they're going to drop this thing back into the 24,000s.
Yeah.
If we keep creeping down.
On my live account, I got pending orders at 24,800, 24,700, and 24,400 flat at the bottom. If she breaks 24,400, that's a complete change of character in the yearly.
Okay. Well, we got this bear flag printing and trying to play out here. I would not take it until we get below the pivot point. Because we got these bottom wicks. Why short with bottom wicks, fellas? That's not a smart move. You gotta go with the wave, and you don't go against it.
Leave that shit alone.
Waiting for the momentum. There's been some great opportunities, but they happened before 9:45. So
25,300. Come on, hold.
we're around that whole number, that 300 level. The market acts weird around whole numbers. So don't trade it. Don't be in a trade around whole numbers. Trust me. I've been chopped up enough times to stay out at this point.
Nah, bro. I love the flat numbers, bro. I love it.
More power to you. More power to you.
The thing is, when I first started, I based it on price action since I first started trading.
Yeah.
I just got used to just levels, bank levels.
Well, there we go. Starting to get away from that 300 level. Are the Bears going to finally push back through this pivot?
Let's see.
There's that pivot touch. We're playing on my yellow line. If I remove that line, I guarantee the market will drop. All right, right now, just look like, I feel like we're just building structure on this flag. Got that wick on that 5-minute on top of the candle. So showing that selling pressure. I want to get through this pivot point. I want to get through it. Come on, Betsy.
We got 5 minutes for the 1 hour.
Oh, man, this is the second time I always say in less than a week I haven't had a trade close to 10 o'clock. This is craziness.
What time you normally place your trades?
Now anytime after 9:45. And Bear Flag's playing. Hold my beer, boys. Well, my sparkling water, since I don't drink. Well, let's see if we get more momentum here. While I get away from this pivot point.
There's no way he's gonna touch that pivot point.
We already touched the pivot.
I'm talking about isn't there another one? A little lower.
Yeah, so the next pivot point down is all the way down at 115 area. So 115.25. Never say never. This is the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the Nasdaq. It's like trying to put lightning in a bottle. Very hard to do, but it is achievable. All right, so we're holding this level right now. Not a big fan of it because I
know you want to short it right now.
You know what I'm saying? Like, but I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not shorting into bottom wicks. Like, that's just bad business.
I wish you on the short. I just need closure below 25,200 and give me like a nice bearish candle. Then yeah, I'm definitely here for the sell with you.
Yeah.
But it's just that she's holding those levels so well right now. Like, dang.
That's why I'm not in.
Right now, US 30 right now is breaking out, trying to break out of his downtrend line. So that might influence the Nas, you know what I'm saying, buy up too.
Let's see. I'm just going to sit here and twiddle my thumbs. I'm just going to start doodling because when I doodle, it keeps me out the market. So we got the pull. We got the push up.
That's that gold stick, man. That's that gold stick. You know what happened if she hits that?
We got the 21 EMA currently above us at 351. 351 for the 21 EMA.
Come on, we can do 25,500 before 12 o'clock. We safe. Buyers are safe.
I want the shorts. Come on, Bears. No.
Not too far, man. Not too far. Almost there. Almost there. So that's the beauty of the market, man. You make money regardless of going up.
Yep.
Going down, man.
That's what I love about it, man. Like, you can always make money. You're not capped. And what's cool for me, right? Since I'm trading, for everyone that's watching, bear flags, bull flags with momentum, it crossed through the top line of my bear flag. So I'm not trying to go short. Like, that's just, don't fight it. So if your flag doesn't pay off with the momentum, just don't go in that direction you were expecting it to go in.
Yeah.
It's literally that simple. This is trading for dummies. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I was thinking about that the other day. I'm like, you know how we always get traded on like have a bias before you come to the market. I'm like, you know what? That's actually how you also get clapped because you're gonna see that one bias and the market is not in your bias that day. So I come to the market, just let it flow, and then you take your trade. That's it. Whatever she gives you, she gives you.
yep. Listen, I am not looking at anything other than the flags and momentum. Because for me personally, right, it's easy to have a bias. Like, oh, look, it looks like everything's just going down. So you think that, and then something happens and the market rips on you, and then you notice you were only shorting for your entire session, but the market was trying to trend up. Like, you got to come to the markets with a level head.
Natural bull, that used to happen to me all the time. Like, fuck. I'll have a winning streak. I'll be like, damn, 6 figures in payouts in a month, on a bull run month, but then on a bearish month, damn, I'll be having to reset funded accounts.
Yeah, and that's annoying. That's annoying.
Take combines. Oh my God, bro. It'll be wild.
And for people that don't know, Mr. Salmon on the Zoom call, this man has 48 funded accounts currently. He's a wild man, boys. He's a wild man.
I hit 52 this morning. With the music.
My apologies, sir. He got 52 funded accounts, and he's been trading for quite a while.
Nah, I'm telling you, bro, it makes life a lot easier when you just rotate between so many of them like this. You know what I'm saying? If one firm gives you a payout issue, you got like 2-3 more other firms.
Yep. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Never put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah, and I don't do all of them at the same time. Like, I remember I told you in the stream, it was like a set of 5.
Yep, 5 at a time.
And I just rotate them.
I do the same. I rotate through all my fundeds, and I just keep it pushing. Some days I won't get to a lot of them. Some days I do. Just depends on how the market's moving. All right. Well, coming on back down here. It's tempting, boys. This thing is tempting me today. And I'm trying to have restraint. You know what I'm saying? Mr. G made 3K already. Other members are making money today. I'm like, just sitting on the sidelines watching. But I realized...
I just got lucky. I broke that rule, man. I saw it, like, man, listen, bro. I gotta jump in. I was like, whew.
We're coming down to my yellow line. We're coming down to my yellow line, boys. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. If we get through my yellow line in that pivot, your boy just may accidentally click a short. Just saying.
Damn, I'll break even right there on that yellow line.
Well, hopefully, it doesn't get hit. Right, so you can take some profit, and then I could get in and get my profit.
Oh, yeah,
all right?
I liked it enough profit during the Asian and London session. So
Okay.
there's a New York right now. I'm just playing around.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, she's gonna break that yellow line.
All right, we're starting to break through the...
What?
We're right there.
What? She break that yellow line. I'm jumping in.
Like, see, I'm not going to jump in even though we break it. I want to get through that pivot point.
Okay. I'm going down. It's going down. The momentum right now, the sellers are on it right now.
I want to break that pivot point with momentum. And I'm taking it. I'm going to take it.
All right, so on the 275, I'll jump in.
So the pivot's at 279.25. 279.25 is the pivot. I want to get below that pivot, maybe clear a wick or two, and I'm taking the short. Because first target below this 15-minute range is down at 219.25. Barely.
Barely, yeah, I'll take barely, bro. Listen, when you 50 or 100 micros in, listen, barely more than go, bro. Come on.
And I'm just patiently waiting.
Come on, I'm telling you.
Well, Faith, if we drop below the pivot, I'm looking for a short. If we get above the 21 EMA, I'm looking for a long.
Yeah, US30 just broke out of its downtrend line. So that's going to be pushing us a little bit up.
I'm just not taking trades just to take them a day. I'm working on myself, right? December for me is a time of reflection where I try to sharpen everything in my life and become better. So for me, I was at a point since I stream with you guys and with Legacy, I was taking trades sometimes just to say I'm in the market. And I realized that's not necessary because you guys are here because you want to see discipline. You want to see structure. You want to see a system that's working because me taking trades just to take trades, that does nothing for y'all. But me sitting here watching this thing just ping pong right now, it's showing you I got discipline. And for me, I'm not trying to lose no money. So I ain't just trying to jump in anymore just to jump in. Aiming for a cool 700 on my cash account. Drake, get it, dude. I know you can. Make that money, dude. We just had a small bear flag print in this larger bear flag that I've been waiting to break here. So if the bears step in, I feel like they're going to swipe back down here. It's going to be a fast swipe too. It's going to be a fast swipe. Where's your momentum? It's on the Renko bars. That's what I'm looking at, Woody. On the Renkos. That's why I'm not just jumping in right now.
Patient, my brother, patient.
Hey, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We got all these crazy wicks right now. We got wicks on the bottom. We got wicks on top. We need someone to win here. And I don't care who wins. If the Bears want to win, if the Bulls want to win, I don't care. I just need someone to win.
She hits that 25, 450. I'm on like for 25K for the day. I'm done.
Bro, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome.
Done.
All right, coming up to this 21 EMA. Woody, I used the Renkos on TradingView for the night streams.
That was a nice double bottom too.
All right, there's the 21 EMA tap right there. Let's see how we react. We got the VWAP pretty much right below the middle of the 15-minute range here.
Oh, yeah, US 30 is pushing right now up. S&P is pushing up.
Come on, Betsy. Give us something here. I refuse to get chopped up. I refuse to get chopped up today. All righty. What we about to do? What are we getting ready to do? We're literally just building out this crazy structure right here on the 2-minute chart. And when this thing breaks, if the Bears break this, it's going to be crazy.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be on and popping, gentlemen. On and popping. You can trade on the mobile or laptop. It's up to you. I always recommend at least a laptop, more screen space. But you can trade on the phone. That is doable. Because I trade on Tradeovate when I'm in the sauna. Later in the day, I may take a trade, make a quick $100 in the sauna, and keep it moving. All right, we're consolidating right here. The Renko bars are letting us know we're consolidating a little bit.
A little choppiness.
Yep. Ark, Sam, you know what I'm saying? Do you use Renkos as well or no?
I vary between the both.
Okay.
But I use it on one more, yeah.
Well, I'm looking at all the screens, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just only Renkos, but the Renkos are a hack for me. The Renkos have been a hack.
For me, since I use price action, I try to use High bar.
Okay.
In a certain time frame, and then I'll catch the turning of the volume depending on which area she is.
Okay. Nice.
But the Renko bar, I used it when I first started.
Yeah.
They good.
Well, for me, pairing them with the flags, it's been a life hack for me. It's been a complete life hack. All right. It's starting to look, listen, we got to get through this line, right? We've been patiently waiting. We've been patiently waiting here. I feel bad for Sam. You can't go against me. You cannot go against me.
I do, brother. I do. I don't want you to drag this to 1 o'clock.
No, I need this thing to break. I want to get below this pivot so I can take it. It's already 10:09. I still haven't taken a trade yet.
Damn, brother.
This is crazy for me. Because all my day ones in Legacy, they know I'm normally click, I'm in, I'm out, done. But today, being patient.
Yeah, that's how I like to be, bro. In and out, done.
I'm just not willing to get chopped up because right now we're building out this structure, but it's just chopping. Like, can't do anything with chop.
Having something else to do aside from this, because it keeps you from FOMO and doing some crazy shit. Like
Yep.
right now, while I'm waiting for this shit to hit my break even, I gotta work on some other clients' project marketing for New York, a few billboards I gotta get designs. So it keeps my mind subtracted from this until the shit plays out. If it hits
Yeah.
break even, fuck it. It hits it. But it keeps your mind busy versus you know what I'm saying, waiting this whole time in your hands. And then,
Oh no, I don't FOMO like that. Like this morning, that drop almost had me FOMO almost, but I told myself it's not worth breaking my rules. So that's why I didn't take it because right now I'm a sniper. Like I'm waiting for my opportunity, and when it comes, because what's going to happen, it's going to be fast. So you have to be fast.
yeah.
So if this bear flag breaks, it's going to swipe very quickly. So you gotta be ready to execute.
That's a fact.
Because we keep coming down to my yellow line and making me, it's trying to show me up right now. It's like it doesn't want to do it because I put my yellow line.
So I'm like, yeah, shit, I gotta get the fuck out of my break even, man. Go up. But it's fine though. I have switched my whole schedule, man. New York, like I said, for me, New York session is like the end of my trading session.
Okay.
That has changed completely everything for me.
Yeah, those overnight sessions, they're just too slow for me.
Nah, bro, you wait till like 10:30, you'd be surprised, bro. 10:30 around there. Matter of fact, around the time you get in on the stream.
No, I know. Like last night there was a move I saw that was going to play out. It just took forever for it to play.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's my whole thing. Like I like speed. I like speed.
Patience paid, man. Patience paid.
All right, we're below the 300 level. We're below the yellow line, boys and ladies. We're below my yellow line. Are we going to get below this pivot? Because at this rate, I'm not just taking a trade just to take a trade.
Right.
Because a day when you don't take trades, you didn't lose anything. You actually showed restraint. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, here we go. Let's
Here we go.
came right down to the pivot point tap. We tapped that pivot.
Yo, that's crazy. They didn't even close my position yet.
Yo, what the fuck? Hey, I'm waiting on that short, baby.
Shit.
I'm waiting on that short, baby. Keep going down. I'm telling you, the momentum right now, well, them sellers, bro. Watch them pull through.
Well, from your lips to God's ears, because it's a fight right now. No one's won the fight yet today.
Yo, you can gamble right here, right now, bro. Come on, the gamble of the Bulls and the Suns right now.
They battling right now. Like right now. In the section right
It's like a slot box we have right now.
Right.
Let's see who wins.
I need somebody to do something here.
That's a slot box, man. Look at who wins.
Well, they might, well, the Bulls, I ain't gonna lie, the Bulls, they get momentum now, but watch.
So I'm saying, don't forget this Christmas, man. We in the buying spirit.
I'm just waiting for the momentum. That's it for me.
Right now, I'm looking at the chart, it's on the down.
I may have to call my uncle here. I may need to tell him to tweet something about tariffs or something to help me out right now. Jesus. Uncle D.
690 for tomorrow is real cheap.
Let's go. All right.
Well,
That's looking good.
let's
That's looking
see.
good. Yep. Back up.
What's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. Been a minute. Been a minute. We're holding my yellow line. That's why I have not gone short yet.
It's like you're the market maker, man. How you know what the lines there, bro?
You know what I'm saying? Like, it just happens. If I remove that line, right, the market's going to drop. Like,
The line, bro. That's the line that's protecting my break even.
so if you guys want me to remove the line, let me know in the chat. I'm going to remove it. And when I do, give it a couple, we're going to drop. I'm tempted to just remove it now just so I can make some money.
He said that's my last line of defense right there. You're trying to...
There we go. I removed the line. Brett, I already did, brother. I already took it off.
Damn, bro. Come on.
So get ready, boys.
I close out.
I can feel it. I can feel it.
25 micro in the air right now. Fuck it.
Well, sorry. We about hit that stop loss, sir. I removed the line and watch. As soon as that line got removed.
Damn.
I am a market maker, people. I am a market maker. I'm telling you, they're watching the stream. I'm just waiting to get below this pivot, and I'm in. Take me to the promised land. I can't sing, but I'm going to try. Sorry, Bulls. Daddy took the line off the chart. This time I go down. Sorry, everybody. I apologize if you were trying to go long.
Duane, Jordan said he's in calls, man. He said he's in calls.
I'm waiting. I may take a short to the pivot.
Yeah, that's how you feel it.
I took the line off the chart, so we have to go down. Watch it just rip like 100 points to the upside.
That's what I need, man.
Oh shit, we got a buyer in the building. I thought I was by myself out here.
No, you're not alone. You're not alone, Sam.
I got a long for tomorrow.
Lit.
Because we might not do the move today, but
Yeah, we got a little bear flag right here on the 5-minute as well. So all signs to me are pointing down. But we got that weight. I want to get below the pivot.
I don't know. She's liking the 25-300 too much.
She gonna get away from it. She gonna get away from that toxic relationship. You know what I'm saying? That toxic relationship with the 300 level.
Come on, man. Y'all like it as discount? These stocks. Oh shit. Come on.
Back to the 300. It's just chopping. Like, that's why I'm thankful that I've learned so many lessons with trading. Not to get chopped.
The old me, I would have jumped in, and I would have been hella pissed. So that's how I know I'm getting better. Resist. I'm resist. I'm like, man, nope. Till I see what I see, that's what I'm going in.
That's a fact. That's good, man.
Listen, when was the last time you guys saw me wait till 10:18 to take a trade?
That one time you slept through the session.
Exactly. But I refuse to get chopped.
I remember that day.
I didn't sleep through a session, please.
No, he did it, but you wanted to.
Oh, yeah, because it was horrible. It was horrible. But we're coming on down here. We almost tapped that pivot point. I want to get below that pivot. I'm sorry, Sam.
Damn, bro.
You're gonna realize jumping on my stream, you can't fade me.
Hey, watch after this minute. Watch. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Watch what happens. Watch it dunk. Watch it go. Dunk. Watch it dunk. Watch it drop. I say about the 250. 250.
We literally came like a half of a centimeter away from that pivot point.
Hold it. Still hold it.
Well, You're a better man than me because I've already been out. I take my profits and run. Woody, there is no momentum. That's why there's currently no trade. Now, I want to pat myself on the back right now because I waited till 10:20. I'm still flat for the day, which is craziness. But the one thing I've learned about myself, right? When we're chopping like this and consolidating, getting ready for a big move, I'll take trades, I'll make some money, and I'll lose money. And then the big move happens, and I'm not in the markets to be able to take it. So instead of me just risking it for nothing, I'm trying to be patient. I'm just trying to be patient because I'm trying to win. I'm trying to make 2026. I'm trying to take a $500,000 from prop firms in 2026. That's the goal.
Let's do it.
$500,000. And that's just from prop firms. That's not what I'll be getting from YouTube or anything. You know what I'm saying? So prop firms, $500,000. YouTube, I'll probably do over 6 figures. You know what I'm saying? With YouTube in 2026. Like, we're just pushing and grooving. We're moving in the right direction. But we got to get away from this 300 level. Sorry, Sam. I'm going to keep saying that too, by the way. Right back up. Right back down. Still just chopping here. Still just chopping. But put that on the 5 right there. I should probably remove the line because now I may hold the price up.
Oh, nah, you trying to take all the line of defense for the Bulls, huh?
No defense, no defense. I got a doodle. I got a doodle, so I don't jump in the market prematurely here. We've literally just been consolidating down here.
She came my hairline close to my break even, man. Hairline close, bro.
You're a lucky man, sir. We were right there. We were ready. And here we go. We just pushed through that 21 EMA.
I'm gonna give y'all a quick uppercut. Come on,
We're
man.
through the 21 EMA. Next thing above us, we got the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting right around 361.50, 361.50.
Come on, man. We just kind of close.
Yup.
All right, let me more. Come on, keep going.
Woody. I may go long, boys. I may just take a long to the VWAP. Hey, listen, I told you. I've already said how I trade. I don't care what direction the market goes in. I do not care what direction the market goes in. Don't try handcuffing me, sir. That ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. If Sam keeps it up, I'm removing the line.
It's gonna come out, watch.
All right. He's trying me, so line removed.
Oh. Let's go. Come on. We need to clear this area. We need like a nice candle closure above this white line. We'll be good.
The 321 was the close from yesterday.
Okay, keep going. Can we touch 400?
400. We gotta get through a couple areas before the 4. But I removed the line, so who knows what's going to happen.
5 minutes closed, or 5 minutes is a new 5 minute. you got.
Yeah, we got 30 seconds on the 5-minute chart.
Okay, go wick here. Go wick. Come on. Now,
Sam made me remove the line, boys. He made me. He was talking all that smack. I removed it.
leave a wick. Come on, man. Just draw your wick. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Sorry, Sam. I removed the line. I'll put it back if you want to take profit real quick. Just let me know.
Nah, we're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. Watch.
Oh, we're going to see. We've been building out this big old bear flag.
She's in art class right now. She's trying to draw that wick. It's just too long of a wick right now. Take it easy.
I'm on my sim. I'm at 16 right now. 1600.
Nice to Uncle D. Yeah, go ahead and drop the news. Go ahead, drop the news, sir. Go ahead. Yep. Okay. You're doing it now? Good copy. I want to clear these wicks on the 5-minute. We clear these wicks. Here we go. I feel like this is going to be it, boys.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on, bulls. Where you at, man?
We got these wicks down here still. We got to push through this area. We got to push through this area and take it low.
How heavy my break even is, bro? Come on, man.
Once we get through this pivot point, just know I said so. Hopefully this plays out.
I want to hit my break even already, man. Just take me out my misery.
Well, at least it's a break even. It's not a loss. You feel me? All right, here comes that pivot. All right, through the pivot right there, through the pivot. Popped it right back up. Right now, the bulls are protecting around this pivot point. That's why I haven't gone short yet. But the Bears want to go through.
Come on, man. Load up your Robinhood app, man. Go buy stocks, man. Go buy.
Have a good day, Brett. I'll see you at the hangout. Yes, sir. This is straight craziness right now. I want to take a trade, but I want a good move.
I'll go for a bull right now and take and hold it for a minute.
I feel like it look like a little bear flag gonna print on that 2 minute. They just gotta follow those structures, go up a little bit, and then take us over.
We got to get below this pivot. We get below this pivot, we're going to waterfall. We're going to go down to that first target if we get through the pivot.
Let's just call it Sam's break even, man. Just Sam's break even.
Yeah, we get through Sam's break even. We're going to waterfall, boys.
Yeah. It's all for y'all. The sellers after that.
Yeah, I actually put that indicator on my charts. The Sam break even.
All right, we just tapped that 21 EMA once again. All right. I'm getting tired of seeing like thinking it's going up. Let me put the line up top here. There we go. I put the line up top there. I put the line up top. So now I just put resistance in the market.
Listen, Duane, I did the same thing. Yeah, let it touch it. It's going right back down again. It's going right back down. I did the same. It's almost close. It's almost close.
That's hilarious. I did the same. That's awesome.
Come on, drop. Okay. Come on. Go down. Now watch it go down.
Yo, we've been having way too much fun this week on the stream.
Look, and then drop.
Look. Come on, touch it again.
Man, these orders are not coming
Back
down.
Back down.
Yo, I just refuse to get chopped up. That's why I'm not taking trades right now.
It's topping all right for sure. It's just, man, ooh. That's what it was going to do that big drop again.
Listen, when the market's moving sideways, don't take a trade. There's no reason to take a trade when the market's moving sideways.
Nah, you do. You just, you buy, sell.
Yeah, but I've gotten chopped up way too many times, Sam.
Nah,
I've gotten burned way too many times. I'm like a kid. I touched the stove one time. I'm good. I'm good, dude.
Ah, shit. Come on, man. Yo, this is Wick City, though.
I need to find a song, a Take Me Lower song, so I can play.
Yo, throw some pump it up, man.
No, I ain't trying to pump it up. I'm trying to prove a point right now, Sam.
Come on, man.
This is your first time on this stream. And you trying to fade me. Go long, go long. I'm trying to go short. Just because you're going long. That's like me and my brothers, right? When we're watching a football game, and if my team's not playing and their team is, I'll be rooting for the other team. Just to mess with them.
Oh, damn.
Like, you see that? You see that? Don't know what player it was. Nothing. No names, nothing. But it's hilarious. Hilarious. All right, so my resistance line that I put up top on the 5-minute appears like it worked. So we're gonna see what we get. We just have to get through this pivot point. We get through this pivot point. Listen, money. It's monies. Because the Bulls continue to fail as they try to push it up. So we're in this range right now. So
100 more shares. Come on, man.
100 more shares. Jesus. This man's trying to do anything not to lose to me right now. It's crazy. 100 shares, full port, all in.
That's my next thing for 2026. I want to get into option trading.
Okay.
That's what I do. I'll do that.
Here we go. We're coming down to the pivot. Let's see if we get it. Come on, Nelly. I've been waiting for this. I need follow through though. Since we have been bouncing down here, I want a strong follow through on this short.
Come on, man. Hold.
He's gonna pull up by 300.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah. Drop that.
All right, there. We're through the pivot. We're through the pivot.
We need close. We need close. Hold on.
We're so close. These Bears want to drop this bad boy. But the Bulls aren't giving up yet. Let's push away from this pivot.
Ah, shit. Come on, man.
We're hugging this pivot point. I do not like hugging the pivots.
200 more shares, man.
200 more shares. Jesus.
We max it out, bro. We find all these discounts. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Come on.
Finger on the trigger. I'm waiting. Here. As soon as this starts waterfall, I'm in.
Ah, shit. Let me out. Yeah, I'm out.
I did not get filled. Let me close that.
Damn.
That's so trash, bro. Oh, that's annoying. I jumped in. I did not get filled. Gotta love it.
I'm gonna go pending order right at that pivot level. 'Cause we coming back up. Come on, activate my order. Activate my order.
Close at 390. Only got 140 there. Slightly aggy. Slightly aggy. But I did not get the original fill that I wanted on that anyway. So beggars can't be choosers. I put something in the account for that one. I'm just going to rotate to the next funded. Because I'm not going to push on that. Oh my. Oh, I can't switch fast enough. This is craziness. I should have stayed. All right, so we made new lows here. We're coming down to our first target. First target sitting at 219.50. 219.50. Through that first target. We're through the first target.
Ouch.
Waiting for the wrinkles to push up slightly so I could jump in here.
Dropping. Lower, baby. Woo!
Closed at another 300. Only got 180. But at least it's moving so I can rotate these accounts just to put some profits in. Just to say I had made something today. So let's see here. Let's see here. All right, so we're above that first target. I want to see if we build a bear flag right above this first target to take us lower now. That's what I want. That's what I really want to see here. Sam, I'm sorry that trade did not work out, but you still made money. You made money today, so you Gucci. But I'm expecting us to continue lower because of all the buildup, you know what I'm saying, that we were at around that 300 level. So now I feel like we're going to keep coming down. So we just wait for the flags. We wait for the flags.
$25,170. That will be like my next entry song.
Come on, Betsy. Let's go. Take me lower. Close out 410 on that trade right there. Rotating once again. Let's see here. I'll switch over to that 150K account. Let's play in that one.
Bro, cooking.
All I make some and I rotate. That's it. Base hits, dude. Base hits. That's all I'm looking for. Base hits. Waiting. We got our second target. We got our second target all the way down at 143.25. 143.25 is my second target here. We got the low for yesterday down here at the 171 level. Let's see if we build a flag. I want a flag. The flags pay the bills, people. The flags pay the bills.
She's inches away from my pending order.
For a long or a short?
Long, my brother. We going back up.
Sam, just don't listen, people.
Nah,
You cannot come against me on my streams.
You're a natural bull, bro. You're a natural bull. You stick to it.
I get that. I get, like, see, for me personally, right? Like, I honestly, like, literally, I don't care what direction the market goes in because I'm only looking for bear flags, bull flags, and the momentum.
Yeah, basically similar to what you do. You know, you look for a specific structure only.
And that's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking for anything else. I'm just looking to see the momentum with the flag. In whatever direction the flag's pointing, that's the direction I'm going. So if it's bear flag, I'm waiting for that momentum to go in a downward direction. If it's a bull flag, I'm waiting to see that thing skyrocket with momentum. If there's no momentum, there's no trade. Like right now, I'm patiently waiting. I want the bulls to push up slightly to build out a solid one candle bear flag here to take us lower.
I agree with Sam that it's going to go up, but that EMA is too high up there. So it's going to take a while for it to actually retrace back up.
Yeah.
It's super high. Even the 2 and the 5 is really high right now.
Yeah, the VIX is popping up right now, so no buys for me yet. So that VIX will come back down.
Yeah, it's going to drop. I think it's going to drop to 25,103. It might do a small retrace, but I think that's the ultimate drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm literally looking. I'm literally looking for a small retracement right back on that, reaction to that level.
Yeah, I think it's going to come back up a little bit, but it'll shoot back down to 25,103. Let's see, boom, look at that stretch right there.
Yeah, it activated my pending order right now. I'm back in.
All right, 280 on that quick little trade right there. We're just rotating people.
Your screen is black.
Oh, my bad. Sorry about that, people. I thought my screen was up, but just took a short and put 280 in this account. If the screen's black longer than like 10 seconds, people, let me know because I forgot to click the button.
I just did, you jive turkey.
Listen, we're going to the second target, people. We're going to the second target. 143. After that 143, the next will be the pivot point. I don't know everything about trading. I'm the first one to tell you all that. But what I do know is momentum. And you look for momentum with the flag, and you can make some money.
Well, Sam's going to put that video in so we can check out what he was talking about.
Yep.
So that'll be cool, man.
And I'm just so thankful, right? That I know what you attract at the end of the day. We've only been putting in like quality people in the Legacy Wealth Society. Everyone so far has been straight quality.
Yeah, I'm not degenerate, my guys. I'm just having fun with you guys today. I take proper trades. Just, having fun with you guys. It's Christmas. Honestly, for Christmas, I just fuck around. I don't really take too much trade serious. Now, regular market, Q1, Q2, Q3. Oh,
Here, almost tapped my second target there. Almost tapped the second target.
Hey, so Sam, you're going to do like a video just showing your methodology with the chart so you can see it in person, live?
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do with the VIX when I upload the videos. So how I do my correlation and what I look for.
I just wanted to say I appreciate that.
Where you from, Sam?
Me, I'm from Palm Coast, Florida, but I'm originally from New York.
All right. You from correct me if I'm wrong, are you Dominican?
You already know. Now I got y'all. I'm definitely gonna be uploading a few of instruction videos that I use and stuff, and the payouts and things, stuff that I already wrote from them.
No, that's
Nice.
cool, man. Because like when we're not actually trading, we'll like look at it. So I admire your.
My goal right now is for actually next January. I was thinking since we can do the trader bait, and you got copy trading, I actually designed my own MetaTrader scalper bot. So I'm trying to give it a try to see if the prop firm detects it or whatnot. Because you know the prop firms that they keep like the trailing stuck on it. No trailing normally, if the bot activates and it goes with trailing, it's gonna.
People are executing trades. I hear it. I hear it.
We have 125.07.
Well, we pushed right through that pivot point. We pushed through that pivot point like it wasn't even there, and we still keep going lower. Listen, people. Calm down, people. I'm hearing a whole lot of order fills. Like, commentate.
The robot's going fucking off, man.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So we came down, we touched the pivot. We went through the second target. My next target, if the momentum continues lower, would be about
25 flat.
25,067.25. Let's see if we build a little bear flag right here. Love to see momentum, but I want to see a bear flag. I love when the market comes down for us, but I like that nice, clean flag to let us know we're still going in the right direction. In the community as well, in the vault, for the Renko, me explaining the Renko bars for that video, underneath it, I put some notes in there for you guys to check out, so you can see. What was that?
I see those notes are very helpful. I was looking at them and then they disappeared from my screen, and I was like, you guys moved it.
Yeah, I moved where that video was going to play at in the vault, but everything's still in the vault.
Like Steve's watching. Okay, watch this.
Well, I can't. It does not show me who's watching videos at what time, so it's nothing against you, Steve.
Reading the text stuff, I was like, wow, this is great, and then it was like gone.
Don't worry, it's gonna be a lot better, man. It's gonna be a lot better. Yeah, I got a coder build it. So we should be having our own platform real soon.
That's the goal. That's the goal. The Mighty Networks, that company.
Listen, let's do the admin of the site, man. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm all for it, dude. I'm all for it. Hey, if you can save me money compared to what I have to pay in 2026 for our app through Mighty Networks.
I get paid big for this, but I got you, bro. I'll throw it for free for the community.
Oh, awesome. Let's see if we build out this bear flag here. I'll probably put it like right there. That's where I want the structure of the flag to build out. Everyone on the YouTube stream, what's up, everybody? Hopefully, you're staying safe in the markets today. We're just having fun over here. Legacy's crushing it like always. Yeah, I hope you guys are crushing it as well.
Yeah, bro, you should have told me you was
Huh?
on YouTube.
Listen. All these streams get pushed to YouTube as well.
You already know, chat.
Yo, throw the W's in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's why, like today, I asked people on mute because sometimes we'll have conversations that we don't want going out on the internet. So that's when, just getting you guys in the habit as we continue to grow as a community, so that way we're not pushing personal information over the web.
My social security number is.
Like when Moose was dealing with the credit card fraud stuff.
He said free combine giveaway. My credit card number is.
Yo,
All right, we
they help out with
All right, so right now we're building out that bear flag. We got that crazy top wick for that selling pressure. So that's letting me know I want to get below this pivot. We get below this pivot with momentum. I'll take another short. Do not, people, fight the market. Flow with it, not against it. Trust me, you will make money and you'll save money by going with it. There we go, going through the pivot. And it looks like we got some follow through. Well, maybe not. It just bounces right back up. All righty. Hold that thought, people. Through the pivot once again. We need to lose this pivot. I heard we could do that. We could do that. You heard it, people. Sam wants to give away 5 giveaways.
Okay, let's do it for the community.
No, 100%. I'm down with that. You could give the top steps, and I'll give away some Tradeifys. Oh, you're the wrong person. I was hearing a background conversation, I thought.
You already know, that's 10 right there. Let's go big.
We'll take it. We will definitely take it. Who's at my front door?
Top step.
No, ain't no top step. It's some dude in... Is it a delivery driver? Let's see. And of course, they got to come right when I'm trying to execute a trade. Yeah, delivery driver.
Just let us take control. Yep, she's about to hit that stop loss.
Just threw a couple more dollars in the account. Nothing crazy. This account's up 780. So I'm up over $1,000 for the day. You know my saying, gentlemen, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away.
That's a fact, bro. That's a fact.
I don't know why my entry is getting rejected. Well, the market's moving very quick, so you may not be getting filled. And we just went right through that third target. I think today's the day, boys. I honestly think today's the day. 24,000, here we come. 24,000, here we come.
Let's see.
And if you look up here, we have that small bear flag print on the 2-minute. And the momentum pushed us through. So we got to love it. We got to love when the market does what we want the market to do at the end of the day. Mind you, we crossed 25,033 earlier this week, and we pushed right up. So I'm expecting with the fall like this, I'm expecting us to hit 24,000 a day. Well, 24, just to break the 24,000 finally. To get out of these 25. And then maybe tomorrow during the news we'll rally. But I've been feeling all week bearish. Bearish this week. Just on what the charts have been looking like. So let's see if we build another bear flag right here on the third target. Wait for the momentum, people that are trading with momentum. Wait for the momentum. No momentum, no trade. Selling pressure stepped in pretty hard right there. Oh, Nelly. Woo, Nelly. Let's get down to that 33. Once we get to that 33, I feel like it's over. The Bulls are going to give up at 33. But look at this move right here. Look at this momentum right here, gentlemen. Look at the ring code. That's called momentum. This is the type of momentum we want. Because just this one right here, 785 on that small little spot. So it doesn't take a lot to make some money, gentlemen. Bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. That's why I preach, because that's what I do. I can't teach you something that I don't personally do myself. But that's why with the community, what's so great is we have other people trading different styles as well. And only if they're winning will I be like, okay, yeah, you should share that. Because if you're winning at it, someone else may be able to win at it as well. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to trade just my strategy. There's plenty of strategies out there. But do one that you could do consistently. That's the whole thing. Looks like we're trying to build a little bear flag right here. Let's see if we get it. We got that big old wick on top of that candle showing selling pressure. The Bulls aren't giving up yet, but I feel like once we hit that 33, 24,000 is up next. We're coming up on 11 o'clock as well. It's 10:57. So be careful, because at 11 o'clock, the market moves pretty weird sometimes as well. Are the Bulls going to hold this price up all the way till 11? That's the question. We're currently sitting right below my third target, right below the third target. All right. Bear stepped in hard right there. Made another new low for the session. Big rejection right there. Little pop up right there. Let's see what we get. I'll kill this one if it runs too far up here. Music just stopped. I'm trying to pay attention to this trade here. But I need some music too. You know what I'm saying? I need some music too. Yeah, I'm probably going to close this one. Feel like we just hit a little pocket there. Let me do this quick. There we go. We're ping-ponging. We're ping-ponging, people. The fight is real right now. The fight is real. And it's 11 o'clock. I forgot to look at the time. That's my fault, people.
We're gonna do an end of session, man. Let's do it.
Come on, Betsy. Let's go. Don't like how it's stalling. That's my only thing right now. I don't like how it's stalling. I want that full, strong momentum here. Nope, stalled once again there. Because as soon as I close, that's when it's going to drop it. That's what it normally does. Any big plans for the rest of the day, people? Or are we just hanging out, relaxing after this session?
Just running some errands, working. That's about it.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta run around town today myself. Not too excited, but we'll get it done. We'll get it done.
Yeah.
Nice day to take a bike ride. I'm gonna be out just riding.
Okay. Apex is bullying. It's not Apex, dude. It's not Apex. They're not trying to bully you. I promise you that.
800 shares in. Let's go. Come on.
800 shares. Jesus, bro.
This might be the retracement right here.
Let's do it. I hope. I'm praying.
I hope not. I'm done. I'm not trading a funded account. This is just an eval. But like, please no. Let's start passing it.
Now you're in our mercy, brother. Take that trail line out. You know what I'm saying?
Esto va a subir, loco.
Tú sabes. Anything above 25, I'm buying.
The bottom week of the daily, right?
Yeah.
We're matching the bottom of the daily.
Yeah.
Right? It's already 11 o'clock. We're losing momentum.
Music to my ears.
11:30.
Music to your ears.
Right? No, I always say, Duane can tell you. I always said, I've been saying this for months. There's a market move at 11:30 all the time.
He does always say that.
So this one's gonna go up, right? Right now it's gonna be a bullish 15, and maybe one more 15, like around 11:30, 11:45. We're gonna cross the 15 EMA, and we're gonna go up and touch the VWAP.
Listen, if we make it to 25,300 by 12 o'clock, that's our floor for the day, my guys.
Well, I'm all in. No stop loss. It's either we blow this account or we pass it. That's it right now.
Come on, man.
Where's BP when I need him? Where's BP when I need him?
Don't worry, bro. I'm pouring it down on the candle for you.
There's the pivot point touch. Yeah, I was only holding because I knew we had that pivot. So if we reject off of it, I'm good. If not, I'll close. Pivot once again.
There's nothing like a break-even trade.
Come on, Betsy. Take me lower. Take me lower.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. You're right. It's not yet. Yeah, I'm looking down at this 2-minute right here. Ugh. Not a fan. Not a fan. Because we got that bottom wick. We got that bottom wick. Yeah, I jumped in because I was trying to target that 33 level. But it popped us right up. It popped us right up.
Don't worry. We're going to be nice. You're not going to take it for a ride, man. You good.
Oh, listen, I honestly don't. This is an eval. I'm good. Evals, you already know. We don't care about evals. I took his sell because we had some still momentum. But then as soon as I clicked, I was in the green for a couple seconds and then it popped. I'm like, great.
Wait up until 145. If that 5 closes above that EMA, goodbye. It is going to look bullish.
Don't worry. The Bears still got it. The Bears still got it.
I don't know. Right now, they're making me nervous. We got that big old wick on the 2-minute. We got that big old wick on the 2-minute. Yeah, I'm not a fan. That's showing that buying pressure.
Yeah, that
We create inverse head and shoulder. Then we can
that's
talk.
a hammer right now. It's more than 50% of the wick already. And they just opened a bearish. Now it's on bullish. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
We lost that pivot point.
Oh, no. What happened?
Oh, nothing happened. I already said it.
You know what you sound like? You know the guy from Instagram, he's like, let the world star. You know what I'm talking about from the heights?
¿Tú contento o no contento?
Let's see. Looking at the 5 minute, are we building one big old bear flag? Let's see. Let's see.
Yo, one of my best friends is Dominican. Yo, party at his house every other weekend.
Bro, I recommend anybody in the chat, man, have Dominican friends.
There's no chill with them niggas.
Yo, you gonna be lit every day, brother.
They don't calm down.
Papito, what happened? You no contento? I got you.
No contento.
I'm looking at the 5 minute. I want to see if the Bears step in here because that would be building out a strong right there bear flag.
Yo, they have houses in Chiringo. Yo, big ass cribs. They go over there and party for days.
Oh, yeah. That's a tradition.
Yeah. Yo fui para la capital. Yo, it's fun. It's so dope.
I love my country. I love it.
Let's see what we get here. Are we going to get this flag on the 5 minute?
You're going to get that flag. You're in your block right now, so you feel me? You're going to get yourself, but once these candles get out your block, it's a whole different story.
Oh, listen, I'm just trying to save what I can save right now.
Look, that's all your setup coming in right now to help you.
They hear me. The market makers hear me. They see me in a trade.
You make the call, man. The whole gang is coming for you.
I called Uncle D. I'm like, yo, I need this market to drop real quick. I'm in a trade. He said, I got you. Tariffs it is.
Yo, it is dropping, yo. Oh, shoot.
He said, these bulls are bullying you. We got you, man. Don't worry.
We got you. Don't worry about this. Yo, it is dropping, yo. Oh, damn.
Oh, wow. Well, that. Oh.
Yo, this is 30 minutes. Let me see this 30 minutes. Oh, yeah. I think it might drop a little bit.
She's going for it. She's going for it.
We're right there, boys. We're right there.
That's a lot of self pressure.
Your last line is 25, man. 25, flat.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I have it marked as well. I'm at 25,985.
Perfect.
Come on, Bears. Let's go. Let's dump this bad boy.
You got a strong support right here.
I've been thinking about it all year. I'm like, yo, what if they end the year making 25 as a pivot point for the year 2025?
That'd be crazy.
Market makers, I like that, brother. Market makers.
Give me 26. Give me 26.
Oh, you mean 28, but I'm saying we end the year, close the year at 25, anything above 25.
Oh,
Yeah.
We're like so close. We're so close right now.
Uncle D called the whole family, man.
Yeah, listen. We're calling cousins, aunties. We're getting everybody.
And she's still going down. After this next 5 minute candle.
I was originally targeting the 33.
But she's about to drop, Duane.
From your lips to God's ears.
She's about to drop, Duane.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Safe.
We'll take it. We'll take it. I closed out, boys. We were green. That's it for that trade. We're done. We're I only added, mind you, I was in drawdown. Pretty hefty. On this account, 1260 on it. And listen, we're going down to that 25,000. That's where we're going right now. I should have stayed. But I'm like, listen, green is green, gentlemen. Green is green.
And when it's going down,
And we're gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it with you guys before I jump off the stream. We're gonna watch us break through the 25,000 here to get into the 24,000s. My uncle just texted me. He said, "I got you."
He said, "You good, nephew?"
I said thanks. I said thank you. You know what I'm saying? So be careful. The market may start going up now. Now that I'm out. Now that I'm out, the market may go up now. Woody, no trades is. So what's going on with Apex? What are they doing? Is their system not working today? Oh man, let's just watch this, boys. Getting ready to break into the 24,000s. I've been talking about this since Sunday. So I just want to see it happen before we get off here. I'm gonna wait till about 11:30 to get off this stream, but I gotta see us break through. I gotta see it. Did he have too many contracts on? Because if you had too many contracts on that 50K, it would reject. Yeah, we're playing right now. We're playing this 30 area. Lots of resistance in this one. Quantity of 1. Okay, that's weird. I would say just put in a ticket. Because Trade Evade may be having issues, which does happen sometimes for traders. So they may be having an issue. It may not be Apex. It may be Trade Evade. So you'll just have to put a ticket in. What's it saying? Is anything popping up on your screen when you try going to a trade?
Anything online for the remainder of the year, all platforms, they are going to experience a lot of connection issues.
Yeah.
Right now, we are being dramatically hacked, literally stupid hack in the background. They don't, mainstream media don't talk about it. But those that knows where to get the information, we can see it. Where we're getting a lot, there's literally a lot of internet and server outage this year more than we ever had.
Yeah. No, it's
everywhere is just crashing right now.
Sadly.
I got a client from medical offices calling me yo, I can't log in today. I'm like, trust me, it's out of your control.
Yeah, it's not just you. It's not just you.
Sure, it's everything.
What do you do besides trade?
I'm a branding ambassador, so I basically do business branding. So if you got a business or anything you're doing, I evaluate your business and I give you the most. I put a plan together of what would be the best branding route to go to make sure that your business is unique and increase your sales. Since 5th grade, I've been in IT. That's how I skip a lot of my high school grades because they basically give me school credit due to the IT work I was doing for them. And that's something I still do to this day. I do cybersecurity as well.
Nice.
For a law firm. And I'm also the CFO of Casa Go in here. It's basically a vacation home rental here in Florida. So I'm the guy that manage all the shoots and all the branding and all the targeting for the price action for the reservations. I do multiple things, bro. Aside from that, my own personal business, I got the arcade world, which is what I told Bro on last stream, a modern family entertainment center where you can take your kid and they can play video games and all that kind of stuff. I'm also the owner of Did You Break It, which is a repair shop. We only charge $25 for any repairs.
That's crazy. Look at that bear flag right there, boy. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Sorry to cut you off. I saw the momentum. I got excited.
I do multiple things. That's the reason to all the funded accounts. Every funded account has a business attached to it.
That's awesome.
Nice. That's awesome. Congrats.
And that's what I'm working on doing as well. Each one of my accounts is for a certain purpose.
Yeah, just look at like I was telling bro. Just look at the evaluation as a marketing fee. You know when you pay that Google
Oh,
ads,
I don't even look at that anymore, dude.
guarantee that you're gonna see that money from them Google ads you're placing. So
Yeah, I
that's
don't
why
even
you can't.
look at the eval prices or anything like that anymore.
Yeah, nah, I stopped
You,
looking at that shit.
you got to pay the toll across the bridge. That's
There
it.
you go. Yeah.
Like that's it. All right, buyers trying to step in right here, but these bears, man, they're relentless right now. They want that 24,000. They want to break into the 24,000s.
Sorry, give it to like 12, 12:30. Let the hedge funds come in and see this discount. They're probably gonna try to push it right back up.
Well, I want to see this play, but at 11:30, I'm getting off the stream. It's been a pleasure hanging out with all you guys. Appreciate everyone on YouTube tuning in as well. But hopefully you guys enjoyed these streams. I feel like the streams are continually getting better. Every day they're getting better. And if you guys have recommendations or something you guys want to see on the streams, let me know because I'm here to serve you guys. That's it. That's all I got. Let's see if we break down, or if not, the Bulls may push us higher. I gotta get to the gym today. Ready for that. I gotta hit back day today. I gotta push and pull. But Sam, it's definitely a pleasure meeting you today on the stream. I know we've had multiple conversations on the Traders Hangout stream, and glad to finally talk to you in person. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice not just seeing the chat. You know what I'm saying? All right. If this does not happen by 11:30, I'm not going to be here for it. We just did another bear flag on the 2-minute. We got a bear flag trying. If the Bulls have to push it though, we need more momentum to the downside for that to be a real bear flag on the 5-minute chart. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see what we get here. Let me go to my YouTube studio. Let's see how we're looking today. Have not looked at it today. We've been crushing it on YouTube, by the way. Thank you for everyone that's been faithfully tuning in and vibing up with us each and every day for the morning streams in the Traders Hangout, which has been a complete success. You guys let me know all the time you guys really enjoy it. So we'll take it. Let's see here. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see. Not too shabby. Last night's Traders Hangout. Mind you, I cut it short. I cut last night's stream short last night. We did over 24 hours of watch time last night. That's crazy. Our channel, I say our channel because we're all coming together on the channel I put together. So it's our channel. It's not just mine. It's all of ours.
Yeah, I've been posting it and tagging it in my stories.
Oh, I appreciate that, dude. For real. Definitely appreciate the help. We're pushing numbers as if we have between 7 to 15,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Those are the numbers we're currently pushing. And we're only at 538 currently. So just wait till this thing keeps snowballing. We're going to have on the chats alone on YouTube a couple thousand people watching. Then in the legacy side, we're going to have a couple thousand people watching over there too. We're just going to grow. That's all I'm trying to do. We're growing in every aspect of life. So appreciate you guys. We're starting to push up here. Not a big fan, but we could just be building structure. But honestly, I'm pretty much done with the trades. I'm not going to take any more trades for the day. No need to take any more trades. I already made my money for the day in the fundeds. Put some money in this eval as well. Just every day, just adding $1,000 to this 150K account. Get it passed. I like the setup, sir. I like the setup. Dang, you got how many people you got traded with you, dude? Jesus, that's awesome. This man got monitors for days. Monitors for days. Love it. Love it. I'm hoping I'll probably do it before the end of January. I'm finally going to pull the trigger on the PC build because my goal is I'm going to have one vertical monitor over here. So it'll be to the left of this camera that you guys are looking at. And then one big one in front.
Yeah, I turned the whole crib into a trading hub.
Okay.
So the garage has like an open, that's where I pull up my car. So if I want to have the car in the background, anything like that.
Okay.
In the garage. Then it's 3 bedrooms, so each room has its own style. One is for editing, one is for trading, and the other one is just like a hangout.
Nice.
Chopping it up and stuff.
No, that's dope. That's dope.
And it pays itself, bro. I literally bought this house at a payout. Full
Dude,
payout, bro.
can't beat that.
I started from January. I gave my landlord 10 grand, and every single payout been going straight to that nigga. And I just finished closing like 3 months ago.
Oh, congrats, dude. Love to see the success that trading can provide. You know what I'm saying? Like, love it. Love it.
I'm trying to get to that.
Bro, it's like getting a house from literally thin air. Thin fucking air.
No, wait, getting a house from clicking buttons.
Oh yeah, of course. You know,
Like, that's the best. That's the best. When people ask me what do I do at this point, because before, like, I'll be like, I'm a business owner because I own multiple businesses. Now I just say I'm an investor. And I just keep it pushing. Oh, what do you do? I'm an investor. And that's it. Because I'm not trying to say I do YouTube and I own 3 other businesses offline and I have a trading community. I'm not trying to say all that.
bro,
I'm an investor.
Has no clue what I do. Everybody think I'm just a partner, silent partner, and they don't know nothing else. They don't even know my net worth or nothing.
Hey, no one should know your net worth. That should be strictly for your knowledge only.
The whole shit is when you're expected to be the loser of the family.
Yeah.
Black family, then here you come, hit them with a banger.
Well, that's awesome. Well, I'm the black sheep of my family too. So hey, welcome to the party, brother. You
Welcome, bro. That was the only one. They over here calling me talking about, oh, you know what you doing? This is a nephew. And I'm like, yeah, all right.
That's funny. That's funny. Well, it looks like one massive bear flag on the 2-minute chart. We got that selling wick currently on the 5-minute as well. We got a lot of selling pressure, but we need more momentum. We need more momentum, people. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going all night. We're going all the way to midnight tonight. Since I cut last night, like at 11:30-ish. So tonight, we'll be on for the full thing. So make sure you guys tune in, vibe up with your boy, because we're making great connections. I met Sam from the Traders Hangout.
Yo, that was a random stream, bro. I don't remember that.
You know what I'm saying? You just fell in. Oh, I'm in St. Augustine. Oh, nice. I'm in Orlando. And here we are today. Now we're here. Now we're here where Sam tried me today, and I had to let him know. I know the market makers. I know Uncle D.
You know how to come in and spice it up a little bit, bro? That's what Dominicans do, bro. Now you have a Dominican brother.
So now I got a Dominican brother. I got a Canadian brother. I got a brother in Tennessee. I got a brother over in Texas. I got a brother over there in Lake Mary and in Orlando and a APK. I got brothers everywhere. And I got sisters in Netherlands. the UK. Bro, I'm trying, honestly, my goal for 2026, I want to have over 1,000 members in Legacy.
5,000.
Hey, if I'm good with that. But here's the thing, right? This is why I'm building it the way I'm building it. I want how do I say this properly? I want the name of Legacy to go out to the masses because people are winning. I'm not just trying to build. I'm not just trying to build a trading. No, I'm trying to build a hub for traders, business people, where everyone can come together and just win.
It will go perfect with that trading lounge. I'm telling you, I'm literally trying to open one, bro. Trying to open up a lounge where we can go, man, hang out. It'll be late night too, so whether it's London sessions, you can go have a drink.
Yeah. I don't know. People need to be getting drunk trying to trade. Like they FOMO already without having.
Well, trading lounge, I feel like we don't got that, bro. We really got like a place to hang out.
Yeah. My goal is, me and my girl were actually talking about it. In 2026, I want to actually get a warehouse where I can have all my businesses functioning out of this one warehouse and have a massive side of it just for the trading.
Do it.
Because I got like mad patrol cars for my security firm, everything like that. So just to put everything in where the officers, they could train there, the whole shebang. And then I have my other businesses that will run from there too. So that's the goal for 2026. But yeah, if we could get 5,000 members in Legacy in 2026, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome.
We're gonna have giveaways, a whole bunch of shit, bro. Watch our own platform, our own app.
Well, that's why I chose Mighty Networks, because with them you could white label, get a white label app from them. So everything would literally stay the same, and they would give us an app. I just gotta give them the bread for it. I'm like, let me build the community, and then I'll make that decision.
That's just gonna be user fucking friendly.
It has to be user friendly, dude. Has to.
I got you, bro.
I don't like complicated.
I've been doing this since 5th grade, man. 5th grade.
Well, we're going to talk off stream because it looks like who does the white label. So like different companies. So like Mighty Networks, the company we're using for the community, that's their software, but they white label it. I could pay them. I got to find out exactly how much, but you have to be a certain size to be able to white label and just pay them the money, and they'll switch everything over. So we will have our own Legacy Wealth Society app, everything just like Mighty that you currently see in there. Man, I want to see this break. I've been waiting, but man, it's taking way too long. I feel like it's an overnight session now.
Yeah. By now.
But that's another bear flag. You know what I'm saying? Another bear flag printed. We need more momentum. We went all the way down to the 25,009. Just saying, people. Just saying. The flags, they pay. They do pay.
It was a bear flag building day, huh?
Hey, the flags always repeat themselves. That's why I like trading them, because they always repeat. So if you miss the first one, you wait for the next one.
I got so far a few in the funded greens, blue 2 evaluations, and then that's about it. I'm done for the day.
I'm done trading. There we go. Came right back down to that 25,009. Boys, oh boys, here we go. We're ramping up. We're getting ready. The Bulls stepped in right away there. They don't want to give that 24,000 up. They do not want to drop into 24,000s. But it looks like it's going to happen. I'll tell you that. We're way too close to that number for us not to drop into it. Because it's acting as a magnet, people. And then tomorrow we may do a slight little rally. But I honestly feel like the rest of this month we may be going to trend down a little bit.
Yeah, it's bank holidays about to happen, and I mean, they're already taking their holidays, to be honest with you. But,
Yeah.
But technical-wise, they're already on holiday.
We got a 4 target down there at 24,991. That's the 4 target for the day. We literally, our low is literally 25,000.25. We were so close.
We don't got no more market views for the day, I think.
So close. All right, maybe we build another bear flag right here, but man, we were so close to cracking that 20, getting to the 24,000s. That's crazy. Well, I think I'm gonna call it here, gentlemen. I gotta get ready to go to the gym. So tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Be there, be square. Because we're going to vibe up tonight. We're going to talk. We're going to talk about trading, life. We're just going to enjoy each other and have a good conversation. So make sure you guys like, subscribe if you haven't already. Legacy, appreciate all you guys. Tomorrow morning we'll be back on it like usual.
Like and subscribe.
There you go. You heard Mr. Sam. Like and subscribe.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe.
Well, people, appreciate all you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Be blessed.
You already know, brother. Be easy.
All right, guys.
Later, guys.
All right, guys.
Yes, sir. Woody, Dre, appreciate you boys as well. I'll see you guys later at night if you get on the Traders Hangout. Be blessed.